Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have entry number 20, and this one's coming from Miss Phyllis. And let's get into this. I just got it, so we'll see what we got. Thank you so much, Phyllis, for joining and entering into the giveaway. Look at her beautiful die cut. She used candles and a swan. Happy birthday. Guys, remember, it's only a memory dex required to enter. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay, let me see. Let me take everything out of the box. And let's see what she did. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so let me read her card. It says, "Hi Eileen, hope you have a great birthday and many more. Love, Phyllis." And it is Phyllis Terrell. Her birthday is August 3rd. Her favorite colors are purple and mint. And she is from Maryland. All right. Oh, this is her memory dex card. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. This one is a little note. It says, "Here are a few things for you. First time I made a memory dex card. So glad we are friends, pretty lady. Love, Phyllis." Aw, thank you so much, Phyllis. And what is all this, my dear? The memory dex card was all you needed to send. Look at this gorgeous paper. It's holographic. So pretty. Thank you so much. Ooh, she sent me dies. Girly. This one says sunshine and kisses, summer wishes. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Phyllis. This one says treats, and it has a shadow behind it. Oh, girly. Oh my goodness. This is a Spellbinders die. This is the little witch witch hat, and it's a bow set, guys. There's her boots, so layering, and then her hat, and the little background for the bow, the little buckles, and all these little stripes for her booties, for her socks. Oh my goodness, Phyllis, thank you so much. And then, oh my goodness, look at this snowflake. Oh my goodness, Phyllis. Why'd you send me all this, girl? Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I do greatly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's get into her memory dex card. Look at this. I want to show you her bag though, guys. Oh my gosh, her card is beautiful. Look at these ruffles. And then she has a cinch up on the top. Isn't that cute? And then her card is attached here. It's a Coco and Reno bag. Oh my gosh, Phyllis. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a bow. It came off of something, but we'll keep it. It's a pretty purple bow. And look at her card. She's this gorgeous bicycle here. She has a layered butterfly right here. A glittered rosette with another flower. Oh my gosh. And this one says, "Let's party." So she loaded up the bicycle basket on the back with a purple bow and a purple heart in the background. And I see some stars right here. This looks like a beautiful die cut. Look at that. And then she has a little gift bag right here. So cute. Oh my gosh, Phyllis. All the purple gemmies in the background. You did great, lady. Look at you. You did amazing. You must have the die cut. The memory dex punch. She also put some, I think this is like Clear Nouveau, or no, not Clear Nouveau. What is this called? Glossy accents. Some glossy accents on the candle flames. So beautiful. So much detail on here. And look at what it says, guys. The cake says PHA. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Oh, it comes out. Look at that. 2020. PHA 2020. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Maybe that's where the bow went. Does it go on the cake stand? I don't know, but I think I will put it there. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. And let's see what she has on the back. That is so cute. September 2020. She just put the ice cream cone here in the background. And let me get the glue strings out. No problem, girl. And then it says, original handmade because I want to see your face with a smile. Oh, Phyllis. Oh, girly, this is gorgeous. I love it. I'm probably going to take this little card right here and probably stick it to the back of your Memorydex card. Thank you so much, Phyllis. I love everything. I can't wait to play with your dies right here. Yeah, I'm gonna stick it right to the ice cream because I don't want to lose your info because it's not on the back of the card. Excuse me. So thank you, Phyllis, so much. It got here, babe, in nick of time. With plenty of time, actually. So I hope you guys go check out Phyllis. She's on Instagram and YouTube. Give her some crafty love, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.